In this video, we're going to look at creating a new Google Ads account to make sure that you have all the options available to you when you start running your campaigns. So go to ads.google.com and hit the big Start Now button. We don't already have a Google Ads account, so we're going to create an account. So if you already have a work email that you'd like to use for your Google Ads account, you can use that here. It has to not already be linked to another Google Ads account. Preferably this will be the same one that you would maybe already use to access Google Analytics and other Google properties. Or you can choose to create a new Gmail address instead. So that's what I'm going to do. And just enter your details. And then hit next. It will ask you to verify your phone number, so enter your phone number. And enter the code that it sends you. And hit verify. So it is recommended usually to add a recovery email address. You will have to put in your date of birth details. And then hit next. Decide whether or not you want to add your number. I'm going to skip. And next. Just confirm all the details and the privacy. And so this is the stage at which you need to say, it's going to ask you to go straight in and start setting up smart campaigns. At this point, we need to hit Not Now. Okay, and here you'll notice it's again trying to get you to put your information in to create a smart account. You need to come down to the bottom and find Switch to Expert Mode and hit that. It's going to try and walk you straight through creating a campaign. So if you're ready to do that, then feel free to carry on. But if you're not ready yet, then what you'll want to do is hit Create an Account without a campaign. Now you'll need to confirm your business information. The most important part of this is your currency. You cannot change the account currency afterwards. So make sure whatever currency you want to be billed in is what is set here, and also the billing country. So just make sure everything is correct before hitting submit. And that is done. You can hit explore your account, and then this takes you into a brand new full Google Ads account, not a smart account. If you found this video helpful, do hit like and share with anyone else who may find it useful too.